Hi, my name is Hariharan Iyer, the enter trainer, and I'm the founder, creator, and chief mentor of Hariharan School of Success Education HSSC. You can get more details about the training company that I run from www.thehssc.com. Uh, Ever since I launched the idea of floating the or of launching the Learning Champions Club LCC, I've been having some very interesting conversations with trainers and learners, and I just thought I'll use this opportunity to do a quick audio broadcast here in terms of what the forum is all about and why I'm trying to do this and trying to launch the Learning Champions Club. Basically, what 5 6 years ago, I had this idea of starting a forum where people can come together, learn, rather than competing. Trainers can actually come together and collaborate, but for that they first need to connect. And I think learning is an ocean. As any trainer would know, there's only so much that we can learn and there's so much that we can teach, but there is so much more that we can learn from one another. But for this, we need to come together not infrequently, but rather in frequent intervals in a structured way where we learn, we connect, and we also find ways to collaborate with each other. HSSC is a model, and in that way, a bit of a role model, I would say, without sounding, egotistic. In all humility, I would like to say we have tried to put together a model where we collaborate and work with various trainers. We are very much like a family. We all do our independent stuff, but we also collaborate and work on various projects. And there is so much we can contribute in terms of training, in terms of learning, in terms of making a difference to people, making a difference to organizations. There is absolutely no limit to that. But for that, we need to be a bit of a salesman. We need to be more like an entrepreneur rather than just like a freelance trainer. And I do understand and appreciate that everybody will not feel comfortable thinking purely from an entrepreneurial perspective. They would love to just be there on the floor and deliver. But the main challenge for many freelance trainers, of course, is to get enough assignments. It is to get enough man days to keep ourselves engaged. It's a very common problem. It's a very common challenge. So I just thought maybe we should build a community which over a period of time can build a relationship, and we could collaborate, we can work together on projects. So that's what is the long term objective of the Learning Champions Club. Some people have been asking me about what is the return on investment of the forum, and I would say one has to look at it from a longer term perspective rather than treating it like a typical networking forum and saying that, if I join this networking forum, then what is my ROI on that? Because this is not a networking forum. Having said that, we will obviously network amongst each other, but not during the sessions. The sessions would be purely for learning purpose. Whatever networking that needs to happen will happen outside of the sessions. And how to do that and how we can go about it and all those things, of course, I'll be there to kind of share and mentor in my own small way in terms of how we could uh, do that. I'm very excited about launching this LCC. Finally, it looks like it's going to take off. Yeah, it's going to take off, of course. And I just hope that we are able to put together a small unit of people, and we come together, we start this journey together, and then we'll take things as they come. Mm. And I've tried to keep the pricing very, very reasonable, very comfortable. Also, not like a yearly membership, like a 6 monthly membership, then people can renew after that. So those are some of the ideas that I have, some thoughts that I have. I just thought I'll share them with you, and I really look forward to having a conversation with you around LCC and could be the possibilities of us working together or having a collaboration. And we'll be very, very happy to have an interaction with you. And yes, our keys assessment is also going to be a part of this membership fee, if I might, membership fee, because we want to offer this as a value addition to all our members. And also around that, we could look at probably building some collaboration or some doing some work around it. So these are some quick thoughts I wanted to put together about the LCC. I look forward to hearing from you. Please do call me, message me, and we're very happy to have a conversation with you. And I'll be very happy to answer all your queries. It's a great learning journey that I'm trying to start for all of us together. And so I look forward to hearing from you. God bless you. Thank you very much.